Hi guys, so this is a cinnamon tree or spice tree, and today I'll be sharing with you how to make cinnamon sticks. Stay tuned. So these are the few branches that have been trimmed off the tree. We're going to start small since it's my first time doing it and my husband will be showing me. So you start by scraping the outer skin, the one looking green as shown in the video. Yeah, exposing the cinnamon bark. So welcome to Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So the scraping continues. Well, so far so good. This is how much we've done so far. Unfortunately, I didn't time myself, so I can't tell you how long we took to scrape this much. And you could have something on you like a cloth or a bag just to protect your clothes. So then we do this slight pounding, not so much. If you do it very hard, we're using a hammer. If you do it hard, then it will smash. But just slightly, which will make it easy for you to peel off the bark. Yeah. So thank you so much to my wonderful subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate. I apologize for the noise that the breeze is making in the video. I'm by the Atlantic Ocean. The breeze is blowing. Let me just show you the view. Look how amazing this view is. So this is where the breeze is coming from. You understand? We have finished the pounding, and our next step is to cut very deeply across the back. You can even use the hammer to aid the knife when cutting so it goes deep. Then we're gonna cut like this shown in the video, because it's time to start peeling off the bark with the use of the knife. Oops. You see what I was talking about? It's important that you cut very deep. So then we start removing the bark very gently and slowly. Don't rush, otherwise it will just come out as just pieces. So just gently, just as you are seeing in the video. If you are an experienced cinnamon harvester, please write your tips in the comment section so that some of us amateurs can learn from you. So one down, and let's continue with the process. And by the way, guys, this is the lovely Grenadian cinnamon. So a few hours later, we had done a good bit. Yeah, and I have about just this one left to do. And we'll see what happens. So I've done a good bit already. Yeah. See, so some of them are folding in as they dry up, like this. See that? So I place it in the hot sun, and it's drying up very, very nicely. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. But trust me, I now understand why cinnamon is very expensive, because you need to work hard. So there you go, guys. This is my lovely cinnamon, and thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.